What's up, everybody out there? It is day 2 of our Vegas trip. I went through my money a little bit, so we are up about $40 on the trip. We bought a bunch of souvenirs, drinks, and everything like that, so we're up about $40. Such a great turn from when we were down $270. But today we plan on going to White Castle, do our food review for Sin City Food Reviews. Definitely subscribe to that channel if you haven't already. We plan on possibly going to Ellis Island. We have some condos and some townhomes to look at. So, but right now, Mom's getting ready, and I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to do a little bit of gambling, see if I can hit something, and then come back, get my stuff ready to go do our food review, eat up at White Castle, and get our day going. See you guys in a bit. So that did not go well. Went downstairs, played the Buffalo, lost like 40 in 2 separate Buffaloes. Then I played a Sun and Moon, lost a 50. So I was down 90. And then I played the Sun and Moon again, put another 50. And I was like, alright, so I hit a couple bonuses. 2 of the bonuses, I was 1 Sun and Moon away from getting 50 free games on a $2 bet. So I'm like, it's going to hit. Put in another 50, down 140. Start the day perfect before my mommy even can get out of the shower and get downstairs. Already down 140. So I put a couple more dollars in when Mom gets done, and then after that we're gonna go get something to eat. And yeah, so not so good to start it off, but it's all right. We're gonna be all right. So we're still up we're still down only like 90 bucks for the trip, or 100 or somewhere around there. So that's still not that bad. But I don't know. It used to be day 1. Used to be our disaster, we'd lose our ass, and now it's day 2, we lose our ass. I don't know, maybe we'll redeem ourselves. We probably will. But anyways, we'll head out to get something to eat, and you guys will come with us. We gotta get to 100. So we put $20 in the Buffalo machine. As you know, I'm down 140 for the day. And we were up to about 60 some dollars. You guys seen the bonuses, but we cashed out about $40, so we end up doubling our money. So now we're only down 120 for the day. Now we're gonna walk over to White Castle and eat some breakfast, and I'll get some shots of that.
Try to make you understand this isn't how it's meant to be. I'm not the one that's holding on to something that's already gone. And I'm just trying to make things work. You always try to rock the boat. I always get a step on course, but baby, you're the undertow. Actually, that I can't wait, 'cause I can't even think straight. I feel just like I'm next to you, but baby, you're worth too heavy. Trapped in my thoughts, losing consciousness, can't wake up 'cause I'm obnoxiously missing you, and you're not too, and it always haunts me. It always haunts.
So we made it into White Castle. We're gonna go ahead and grab some breakfast, and yeah, show you guys the food and do a little review of it. You guys can let me know what you think. If you've been to White Castle, leave in the comment section if you've been to White Castle, what you think of it.
And I'm just trying to make things work. You always try to rock the boat. I always get a
Just finished White Castle, still drinking my coffee, but I love this place. People hate on White Castle, but I actually like this place. I don't know why people hate on it. I like the little burgers though, and the egg and the hamburger for the breakfast ones, but you will catch my review. Definitely check out Sin City Food Reviews. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and me and Mom over here will be giving a good review. But right now, we're gonna hit up Casino Royale and see if we can win some money on that buffalo that we won last night on. So, we gambled a little at Casino Royale. That didn't pay off. Lost like 60 bucks in there. But that's okay. We're gonna go over to Harrah's, check Harrah's out for a little bit. And yeah, so. But there was like some dickhead security guard with the mask thing. I understand with the mask thing or whatever. But I don't know. He was just giving us shit. Alright, so we just got out of Harrah's and lost like 60 bucks or some shit in there. So I think we're down like 240, 250 for the whole trip now. We're heading back to Treasure Island, do a little bit more gambling there, and Steve, our realtor, is gonna meet us. He's gonna take us to some condos and some townhomes that I picked out. So hopefully we can find something. Maybe we can put an offer in on something. So I forgot to tell you guys this. We were at, was it Harrah's? I think it was Harrah's. And Angela, Medic Bunny, much love to her. She, her favorite number is 33, and she's always like, put money on 33 black. So we found this electronic roulette. And I was like, I should put 50 bucks on this and do 33 black just for the hell of it. And where I was thinking about it, and it called out 33 black. Matter of fact, I'll show you guys the picture of 33 black. It was such a trip. But we were actually at the Mirage waterfall right here. Me and Mom always throw like a quarter or a coin in here. And sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. We're gonna throw a coin in here. We're gonna head back to Treasure Island, gamble a little more, and see if that helps us win something, at least our money back or something. But let's go ahead and throw these coins in, Mom. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Mom's didn't even make it over the freaking thing. Look. Mom hit the rail. Another blooper. Throw it in there now. All right. We are headed downstairs because Steve's about to pick us up to go look at those condos and townhomes. I might have to pay the whole down payment up front myself, which is like 5%, but I think I can do it. So I don't know, we'll see. Still waiting on my credit. Hopefully it didn't go down lower than what it was, but fingers crossed I can get some of them grant programs. If not, just have to do what we gotta do. But yeah, so we're gonna head down there, maybe throw a 20 in a machine, see if we can hit anything. But for the most part, we're gonna go look at those places. Did they say anything? I said, oh, I didn't know you could record. As you guys seen, we were down about $67 on the Buffalo. Ended up hitting a nice bonus. We're up $75, so we're up 40 on that one. We ended up going down to 120, and then I said, oh, let's play this other one. We went back down to 100, so we broke even playing in there, which isn't bad, but it's not really that good when you're up 40, but it's all good. So now we're gonna head out on the expedition to find a condo or townhome and then hopefully maybe Ellis Island later on. I'm going to hit up Neon Vacation Shannon and see if he wants to head out there with us or meet us out there. But that's kind of the plan for the night. I know we got to finish our review video for White Castle. I almost said Wolfgang Pucks, White Castle. And yeah, so we'll see. Well, got done gambling, down about 40. We made a little comeback. We were down about 2, made a little comeback. Now we're heading up to Ellis Island. I'm gonna run in the room, grab some more cash, and we're gonna meet Shannon, Neon Vacation, over there probably. Grab some food, use some of my Las Vegas Advisor coupons, and you guys can check out the casino with me. Might do a review of the restaurant in there, not sure yet, but I know we're hungry and ready to have a little fun tonight. By the way, big shout out to Steve. He took us around Vegas looking at some condos in the Summerlin area, beautiful area. Hopefully I can pick up one of these places. Still working with the mortgage company with the credit and everything like that, and see what I got to do for down payment and everything like that. But big shout out to Steve Carter, Las Vegas gal, his realtor or real estate team employee or teammate or whatever you want to call him. Steve Carter, awesome dude. Thank you so much, bro, for taking us around. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get one of those places. We did look at quite a few places, 6 or 7 places, and yeah, there was only a couple we didn't like, but most of them we liked, and hopefully we can pick one of those up in Summerlin, like I said, and yeah, cross our fingers. But we are headed to Ellis Island, finish day 2. We're still here a while. We're down about $400 and some, give or take. Not going so good. Day 2 has been a disaster, but we're gonna check out Ellis Island, and hopefully we hit it big over there. We made it home, guys, from Ellis Island. We had a good time. The only downfall is we got a lift, and Mom dropped her vapor pen in the lift. So now they're trying to say you got to pay $15 if you lose an item. It's like, are you serious? I rode in your cab or your lift or whatever and paid you for the lift, but you're gonna charge me $15 if I drop an item? Okay, so well, the dude hasn't messaged me back, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I have to start getting ready for bed. This was day 2. We didn't do good at gambling at all, really. Lost $350 or somewhere around there for the day. Pretty bad day. But tomorrow I got to go do my interview at my job, fill out my drug screen, ID, and all that kind of information. And yeah, and then probably go do Hell's Kitchen, do our review of Hell's Kitchen, and probably meet up with Neon Vacation. And not sure what we're going to do after that, but it should be a packed day of stuff to do. But you guys will definitely follow my journey, so stay tuned for day 3. I love you guys very much. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's going to be plenty more vlogs coming in the future. Also subscribe to Sin City Food Reviews, and we will see you tomorrow for day 3.